It's running at 5 at the moment. I've set it for 3 and it's been on for 10 minutes. So even in 10 minutes it's struggling to drop 2 degrees. And that's the noise running at 65 decibels.